LinkedIn Outreach can bring you meetings faster than almost any other channel. However, with so many tools out there, it's easy to pick the wrong one. In this video, we're comparing Salesforge with PhantomBuster. I'm Sam and I reviewed hundreds of sales tools. And by the end of this video, you'll know which one helps you actually book more meetings. Is it PhantomBuster or Salesforge? Let's begin. The more accounts you can connect, the more outreach you can do. PhantomBuster only gives you one sender, so you're capped right away. Salesforge gives you unlimited senders, so you can connect your own account, your team's, or even your client's accounts without paying extra. That means you can scale as much as you need. Now, to run outreach properly, you need campaigns, basically sequences of connection requests, messages, and follow-ups. PhantomBuster doesn't have full campaign sequencing, so you can't build conditional flows. Salesforge does. You can create manual campaigns with steps that branch and adjust, so you're in full control of your outreach. And when the prospects reply, how do you handle conversations? PhantomBuster doesn't give you a centralized inbox, so you'd have to jump between accounts. Salesforge includes a Prime box, where all conversations land in one place. It also drafts AI replies based on your company info. That makes answering faster and keeps you consistent. Outreach works best when you're not limited to one channel. PhantomBuster is focused on scraping, so it doesn't support multi-channel outreach. Salesforge supports LinkedIn and email together, and not just basic email. The plan includes 10,000 active contacts, 50,000 cold emails sent, personalization and validation credits, plus premium mailbox warm-up. That means you can run full multi-channel outreach campaigns in one platform. PhantomBuster is mainly a scraping tool. It can pull lists from LinkedIn or other platforms, but it stops there. You still need another tool to manage outreach. With Salesforge, you can use LeadsForce. It uses AI to help you find lookalike leads, competitors' followers, or your ideal customer by using AI search. And then you can immediately start outreach. PhantomBuster connects through APIs and webhooks, so it's flexible if you're technical. However, it's not built for running outreach at scale. Salesforge integrates directly with Clay, Go High Level, Slack, HubSpot, and many more integrations. And if you need white labeling, Salesforge supports it, while PhantomBuster doesn't. PhantomBuster is cheaper upfront at $69 per month, so it looks attractive. The catch is you're only getting scraping, not a full outreach system. Salesforge is $96 per month. That covers unlimited senders, multi-channel outreach campaigns, unlimited mailboxes connected, AI, and all the extras. So for actually booking meetings, it ends up being the better value. So here's the bottom line. PhantomBuster is great if all you want to do is scrape data. However, if your goal is booking meetings, scaling outreach, and running everything from one platform, then Salesforge is a stronger choice. And if you want to see exactly how to set up multi-channel outreach campaigns for the best results possible, then check out this video, because there I share exactly that.